Conjunctions: and, but, or, because. Conjunction is a joining word. It joins two words, group of words, or sentences. For example, bread and butter, ice cream or cold drink, the baby is healthy and cheerful. Now let's understand the meaning of conjunction. Conjunctions are the words that join two words, group of words, or sentences. The word and, but, or, because are conjunctions. They are also called connecting words. Now let's understand when and where we use conjunction. We use and to join similar words or sentences. For example, Aman has a bat, Aman has a ball. The two sentences are related to each other with similar ideas. So, in this case, we use and to join sentences with similar ideas. And the sentence is, Aman has a bat and a ball. We use but to show difference. For example, Rita is tall, Rima is short. Here, these two sentences are related to each other with opposite ideas. So we use but to join the sentence with opposite ideas. And the sentence formed is, Rita is tall but Rima is short. We use or to show choice. For example, you can have coffee, you can have tea. These two sentences shows alternative ideas or choice. We cannot have both together. We can have one at a time. So, if there is choice in a sentence, we use or as a conjunction and the sentence formed is, you can have coffee or tea. We use because to give reason. For example, Ajay and Anita are very happy. Here a question comes, why Ajay and Anita are happy? And the reason given for that is they won the music competition. So the sentence in which we need to give reason, then we use because, and the sentence formed is, Ajay and Anita are very happy because they won the music competition. Now, before closing the topic, let's recap what we have learned today. We learned that conjunctions are the joining words. They join two words, group of words, or sentences. They are also called connecting words. The word and, but, or, because are commonly used conjunctions.